Hello, class. Today I'm going to share with you a great tool that you can use for your historical figures project. We're going to go to PebbleGo.com, sign in, and when you get to your home page, you're going to see PebbleGo and PebbleGoNext. You're actually going to pick the PebbleGoNext tab because it's targeted for third grade and up. And you'll see there are some different selections here. We're actually going to pick biography since we're researching historical figures. And here you'll see there is a wide range of categories from Hispanic Americans, women, business leaders, American Indians, actors, and entertainers. I would encourage you to go through these and select someone who inspires you or interests you. For an example, I'm going to select an athlete, Simone Biles. We're in Olympic season, and Simone Biles is my favorite gymnast, and she has inspired me definitely. All right, so here we are. We see these tabs at the top. If you want to jump ahead to her early life, and if you're looking for something specific, her endorsements and charity work, and have you noticed this little speaker button? If you push it, it'll actually read it out loud to you if you prefer. And at the bottom of the page, you'll see that there are some buttons down here. The Cite one, Activity, Timeline, Video, and Dictionary. If you go to the Cite one, you are going to need to cite your work, and we are going to use the MLA format. You can copy and paste this into your Works Cited page. And for the activity, this is not required, but it can be a great tool if you need extra help, like with your project, like giving you some more guidance. Like, for example, what has Biles achieved in gymnastics and beyond? This might be a question that can help you for your project. All right, let's go back. And timeline. This is just a timeline of the important events in her life, like when she was born, um, whenever she won her a championship, a world championship, and it continues. And the video, there's actually a video of her. Let's see if we can skip ahead. I just want to see her. Let's see. Okay. And all of your historical figures may not have a video. So cool. All right, and then last but not least, here's a dictionary. If you are reading throughout her biography and there's a word that you're not sure what it means, you can copy it and paste it right here and search it up and it'll give you the definition. Awesome. Well, if y'all have any other questions, please let me know and I'll talk to you soon. Have fun. Bye.